Hey there, friends. I hope all of you are having a very happy Wednesday. I've been trying to come up with creative things to add to the shop that don't require me to go to the post office. These are items that I can mail from home, and I think I've come up with a batch of fun, and I hope you guys like them. These are Stardust journals. As you can see, I did buy a paper pad, and that's okay. I'm not going to beat myself up about it. This was absolutely stellarly gorgeous. I love stars. I love circles. It kind of incorporated those two really powerful symbols into one paper pad. So I was very happy to find it, y'all. We're calling these Stardust journals. So let's just take a quick peek, and I'll let you know that this is more like a journaling kit, y'all, because you'll have this book, you'll have a mini book, and you will have a packet of items to put into your journal. So, you know, whether you choose to use this as a glue book or as a writing journal, I specifically thought that they would make really nice writing journals and jotting journals. You know, sometimes we don't exactly want to write. We just want to jot down a note. I think that these would be great to keep on your bedside table to note your dreams. Maybe your maybe this can be where you will note your spells and your secret charms. Now, this one is called Starlight. So you can see right here that that's what this cover looks like. The covers are very similar. I will list them by the name that I have written very carefully in very light pencil right here. It says Starlight, and you can just erase that off there. You can see that I incorporated papers from the paper pad, as well as some painty papers, some graph papers, some lined paper, cardstock, super vintage text, 1851. Be sure and read these letters that are printed on this very enchanting pieces of paper here. And this one is, I think these are from 1898. It is a religious text. It's just a journal that you can do whatever you wanna with. Very easy, very sweet, perfect size. It's 4x6. You know, let's suppose you have a flow journal and you're thinking, you know, I'd just like a little addition to this because I've used a lot of stuff out of my flow journal. Let's see if I can get one of these fun Stardust journals and I can just slip it into a signature. And I just wanted to kind of show you how to do that really quickly. That's the beauty of a flow journal. Flow journals are also one of those things that I have to go to the post office and mail. Like I said, I'm really cutting down my trips. I'm learning to consolidate a lot of what I do, which means that, you know, when I go to the grocery store, then a lot of times at the grocery store, I will buy some art supplies. I'll buy big sheets of, poster board and things like that. So we're just gonna just put that right in there, and it makes a sweet addition to a flow journal. And I'm gonna see if I keep my flow journals really tight, y'all. You know how I work. And then you can just pull it out, and there you go. You know, maybe you want to note your dreams or your hopes or your ambitions. I wrote an essay for the farm because we will open in May, but we will not have any festivals. That this is our year of hope, and maybe this is a hope journal. Maybe this is a way for you to create quickly. I think that's the charm of having super small journals, is that it encourages you to, you know, maybe do a page a day. We've got that 100-day challenge coming up. This one is called We Are Stardust. And I'll show you this one real quick. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got 24 pages, and that's 48 sheets for you to create upon, write upon, dream upon, whatever you want to do, sweet friends. whatever you feel like doing. All right. Each of these books will come with a packet of, did I tell you that? I did. I already told you that. They'll come with a mini book and a packet of things for you to glue into the journal should you, want to use it as a glue book. And I think we'll just say that these are junk journal glue books. The papers are super fine. Lots of fun to work with. I even, included some of my painty papers, which were kind of hard to tell from that beautiful paper pad, y'all. Kind of crazy how pretty that thing was, and it just caught my eye. And then it started singing to me and go, Terry, take me home tonight. I was like, okay, you're too tempting to leave on the shelf. Oh my gosh, we do love us some Eddie Money, don't we? Oh my goodness, those were good radio days. I worked in radio when I was like 18 years old. This one is called Starbright. And when Eddie Money's first record came out, we all got clear plastic pens filled with chopped up currency, dollar bills, that kind of thing, that was inside the barrel. It was a lot of fun. For an 18-year-old who loved music, it was a lot of fun. This one is called Wish Upon a Star. Really love the colors. It's so bright and cheery, my friends. I don't know about y'all, but man, oh man, we've had some gray days lately. It's kind of just, we'll give you the blues. I thought maybe the sun would come out today, and I was kind of anxious because I was going to go down to the garden, and I was going to do a little digging, and it was like, I'm like Mia. When Mia gets ready to go outside, she'll run to the door, and then I'll open the deck door so she can get out, and then she gets half of Mia out and half of Mia in, and she's like, I'm trying to decide, and then sometimes she just starts backing up. It's like, doot, doot, doot. She'll just back up. It's really funny. All right, my friends, we are going to put these in the shop today. They are, let's say $15, and that includes postage, because I think, now I'm going to take one of these to the post office tomorrow, and let's see what we come in at. For right this second, they're $15, and that is including, that is the whole kit and caboodle. So you get a 4x6 junk journal, you get a mini journal, and you get a creative kit, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see what the postage is like on this. So grab them while the postage is free. I'll talk to y'all soon. See ya. Bye. Take me home tonight. Okay.